Not every day that ground floor pet-friendly apartments come to market in Edge Hill. This excellent apartment is located only a short stroll from Edge Hill Primary School, local parks, or a little bit up the road and you're at the Edge Hill Shopping Village with its range of dining options and awesome cafes. This practical 2-bedroom home features a functional living space, tidy kitchen, 2 generous sized bedrooms, clean bathroom, and of course the spacious courtyard that needs to be seen to be appreciated. To celebrate this stunning apartment coming to market, we've teamed up with Noah, who's just a short couple of 100-metre stroll away, to offer the first 20 people that inspect this home a free coffee. So come along to one of our advertised open homes or give me a call today to arrange a private inspection.